Hey, I'm n8n, and today we are going to install n8n, a large language model, on our computer. 100% free and 100% locally, and your data never leaves your computer. So to do that, we need first to install Llama. If you don't know what Llama is basically a software that allows you to install any open source large language model out there and just install it on your computer and you're ready to go. You can use it 100% offline and locally. To do that, go to llama.com/download. First, go to llama.com and then click on download. You'll get this page. Make sure you choose your current operating system. In my case, it's Windows. Then click on download for Windows. After you have downloaded the file, just double click on it and then click install and wait for it to install. After you have successfully installed it, make sure you open it and then you will get this window. As you can see, it is similar to ChatGPT, but in our case, it is on our computer, no internet needed. The first things you need to do is choose your model that you want. Alright, so click on this button. Here you will see all the models that are available and are open source. You can just download them and use them right away on your computer. Alright, so after we have installed the LLM, now next things we want to do is install n8n. So before we install n8n, we need to install Docker. So just type Docker and click on the first link. Click on download desktop Docker and then choose your operating system. Now the installation is started. After it's installed, I'll get back. Now the Docker has been installed. Just double click on the software and just follow all the steps. I already installed it, so it says existing installation is up to date. Just click next, and then wait for it to install. Alright, so after you have installed Docker, just make sure you open it and you get this similar interface. The next thing you want to do is you want to go to this URL. Again, I'm going to leave everything on the description below. This is the official open source of n8n, so this is the entire code. Alright, and this is the documentation. If you scroll down to quick start, okay, you can we will use this, which is all deployed with Docker, and we're just going to run this command. So go ahead and open your command prompt. If you have Mac, just open the terminal. Alright, now let me just copy this and paste it here. Alright, you should see this n8n data, same as this volume, and then we just need to run it. And what this does is it pulls, so let me just fix this. So what this command does is it tries to get everything needed for n8n, what it's the code, its code, installation, packages, everything, so that you will have all the code running on your computer and you have to not to worry about it. Alright, so this is what it does. So just hit enter. Alright, so after we have successfully run the n8n from Docker, you should see this localhost. This might be slightly different than yours because I already have installed n8n. So if I just run this Docker again, it will just load the installed packages and just run the app directly without installing it again. But in your case, if it is the first time, it will take some time, probably 5 to 10 minutes, but you should just be patient with that. So just open this and then it will get redirected to the n8n, and again this is running without any internet. Okay, so let's just make sure you create accounts, sign up, and then let's create a workflow to connect it to Llama. Alright, now let's just create a simple chatbot. that will interact with Llama. So let me just create a trigger. So let's search for chat trigger, and let's add AI agent, and let's define the prompt. Hi, how are you? All right, perfect. Now for the chat model, let's add Llama. Search for Llama, click Llama chat model. Now we need the credentials. Okay, let's add new credentials. Good. You should see this localhost 1111433. All right, if we go ahead and see it, you can see Llama is running. Okay, but if it doesn't, just go to the desktop app that you have installed, go to the setting, and make sure you enable expose Llama to the network. Okay, perfect. So as you can see, we can access Llama. If I go to version 1 models, right? Um, you should see all the models that we have installed in our computer. And we have gamma 3 270 million. Anyway, if I click save, you might get this error, even though this is working fine. The reason why this is happening is because n8n is working on a Docker container, which means think of it as a separate computer. Okay, but still in the same computer as mine, but think of it as subsystem. Okay, even though it's not, but this is just like a container running separately. So if you just give it a local host, it won't work. So what we do instead is you have to give it an IP address of the local host. And to do that, just go to the terminal. Let's create new tab and type ipconfig. You should see some IP addresses here, but we are interested in address IPv4, which is this one. Okay, this is not a public IP address, but this is just a local IP address, so don't worry about it. Okay, so let's change the localhost to this and just keep the port and everything as well. So you click retry, you should see connection tested successfully, and then just save it. And there you go. Perfect. Now we have our models connected, but we have to choose the model. If you got this, don't worry about it. Just go to the expression and make sure you paste in the model you want to work with. In our case, you can just go here, this endpoint, and search for the model that you want, and make sure you have installed it. Again, if you don't have any model installed, just go to Llama, then pick the model that you want, and just send simple messages that will install. In my case, I already have Gamma 3 installed. If I say hi, it will answer me, hi there, how can I help you? And again, this is without any internet. It's 100% private. So I'm just going to copy this Gamma 3 270 million. This is just fast, and paste it to my model. Let's back to canvas. Alright, let's just say hi. How are you? As you can see, we should get in. I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. How are you today? And that's how you can connect and set up n8n with Llama. You can create cool stuff. You can add memory. You can add tools. And again, this is 100% private and 100% free, so you won't be charged anything. Just play around and make cool tools. And thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave a like, follow, or subscribe. If you got any issues, just leave them below. I'll answer everything. Thank you and see you on another video.